freaky secret, I just know that you got on your mind. Just bring them to life. Bet it up. Put that shit on the film and watch it back on rewind.
The only place that I have good lighting out here. But guys, I cannot wait to show you guys my vision board and what I'm gonna put on there. Yeah, I'm not gonna be going with my vision board, guys. Let me tell y'all how I had everything I needed, right? So I left the library and it turns out I forgot my board. So I had to run all the way back just to get it. Waste of time. I'm just gonna show you guys everything I have for my vision board and just show you guys little clips here and there of what I'm about to do, and I'm gonna explain like what a picture means or something like that. And yeah, that's pretty much. I have scissors here. These are very sharp scissors, and I have a poster marker. One side is black, one side is purple. I have glue sticks. You can use tape if you want. And I have pictures that I printed out. You can like go to CVS or something if you want better quality type. But this is just what I have. And then I have a whole board. This was only like 50 cents. I do not want to use a whole board, which is why the pictures are so small. But I'm gonna cut everything out and then see if I have to use the whole board or not. And if I do, it's okay, but if not, that'd be great. So ignore all that. Like, I'm in my niece's room, it's a mess. But I'm not finished cutting it out yet, but I have a lot done. And right now, I'm just trying to categorize them. And then I'm going to finish cutting the rest out. But this is how it's looking so far. Still have like 2-3 more sheets to cut out. So the board is looking really full now. So what I think I'm going to do is kind of just like cut out all that extra space, if y'all get what I'm saying. Like with Beyonce, cut out that so it could be more room right here. I did not think I was gonna use this whole board, but I am. So I have to make it work. But I think it looks super nice. And then after I get done gluing everything, I'm gonna explain what everything means to you guys. So yeah, it's out of the whole entire board, this part is the hardest to like glue down. Not glue down, but like make sure it looks good and together. But everything else after that looks great. Hey guys, so this is the final look of my vision board. I already wrote 2019 at the top. So now I'm just gonna tell you guys what every section on here is for and what the goal is. In this corner, so over here is pretty much like how I want to dress and how I want to do my makeup. Every girl in here has makeup on, and I love how they dress, so that's why they're all in the same category. This is how I plan to dress this year. Right here it says about what I think the 2019 year is about and what it's gonna be. Right here is all about hair growth because I really wanted to grow my hair out. And then it says I'm rooting for everyone black. Y'all know what that is. Right here are my body goals. I love it. And this is the 2190 rule. That's why I put that with that. Right here is about finding like that good friend group and having lit friends and boss friends. And then right here is about my skincare line that I plan to start this year. Up here is all about me putting God and Jesus first. Yeah, that's gonna be my main priority here. And I love this quote. It says, happiness is the rich, health is the real wealth, kindness is the real cool, and a peace of mind is the real bag. love that. But yeah, and then it says, know this, you can start over each morning. Right here has to be one of my favorite sections because it's all about self-care and balance between things. Just basically finding the real you. And then right here, just like the simple goals, you know what I mean? And then right here deals with me getting my landscaping license because I love landscaping. That's what I want to do. Right here says, hey. So next up is this. As you see, Beyonce's here. This girl went viral, so yeah. But these clothes, like what they're wearing, is my main focus because I do plan on starting my own clothing line. And I know that most people start with sweatsuits and stuff, but I really want to get into all of this type of stuff. So next up is about my mental health and me getting help and me doing counseling, things like that. This also plays part with that. So yeah, and then I plan to read more and just kind of have like peace when I read. And then it says, you deserve a life full of happiness and positivity. And then right here are like my relationship goals. These are not like this. I do not want a baby, none of that right now. But it's just kind of just like life goals, period. Okay, so this girl's name is Kimberly. She takes her own photos, designs her own background, edit her own photos and everything. And that's why I have this on here because I plan on getting into photography. And this also symbolizes the creativity that I want to have because she thinks out of the box, and that's just what I want to do. Up here is about traveling the world. Up here is actually Mary Jane by Arm. And then, yeah, so I'm going to travel the world. And then right here it says be at peace with yourself, which I just really want to be. Although if you can't tell, this, this all plays a huge part with each other. And then up here are kind of just like my life goals, period. Just kind of like career goals and things like that. Like you got my real estate license, apartment, love what I want to do, a car, money, YouTube, and things like that. Okay, then last but not least, I have this one. This is kind of like a reminder to me all the time. And then this is like the last quote. This is my whole quote for 2019. In 2018, I did favors. In 2019, I'm doing business. Hence, a lot of the stuff on my board is business-wise. So, yeah, guys, I'm just going to show you guys from up here how it looks. Like that. And I decided to leave some space so that way I can check off what I did and everything like that, so that way by the end of the year I can show you guys what I accomplished and tell you guys what I didn't accomplish. So yeah, basically these are all life goals. These are not just all the goals I want to accomplish in 2019. But yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget about my giveaway. Bye, guys.